Artificial intelligence has quietly entered almost every part of our daily lives. We use AI when we unlock our phones with facial recognition, ask a virtual assistant for directions, or get recommendations for movies, products, and even romantic matches. These technologies make life more convenient and efficient. But as AI becomes more powerful, it also raises important ethical questions. How much control should we give machines? Who is responsible when AI makes mistakes? How can we ensure fairness and privacy for everyone? Learning English through the topic of ethical AI allows us to explore both language and modern life at the same time. It introduces rich vocabulary such as bias, transparency, accountability, and privacy protection. More importantly, it encourages deeper thinking about technology's impact on humanity. Ethical AI is not just about rules for machines, it's about values for people. It asks how we can build technology that reflects empathy, equality, and respect. For example, many companies now use AI to screen job applications. While this saves time, it can also create unfair advantages or disadvantages depending on how the algorithm is designed. If an AI system learns from biased data, it may unknowingly discriminate against certain groups. This challenge highlights the importance of human oversight. We need people who understand both technology and ethics to make sure AI serves everyone fairly. AI promises incredible progress, but without ethical reflection, it can create new problems faster than it solves old ones. The key question is balance. How to keep innovation moving forward while protecting human dignity and fairness. This balance is becoming one of the central discussions in both technology and education. For example, AI-powered healthcare tools can analyze X-rays, detect diseases earlier, and save lives. But they also rely on massive amounts of personal medical data. If that data is not properly protected, it could be misused. Similarly, AI in transportation, such as self-driving cars, reduces human error, but when accidents happen, who is to blame? The driver, the engineer, or the algorithm? Ethical AI forces us to rethink responsibility in a world where humans and machines make decisions together. In English learning, these discussions open new ways to build communication skills. Students can debate questions like, should AI replace teachers? Or, can algorithms understand morality? Such topics encourage persuasive speaking, structured writing, and vocabulary expansion. More importantly, they foster empathy, the ability to consider different viewpoints. One important part of ethical AI is transparency, the idea that users should understand how a system works. If an AI recommends a product or rejects a loan application, people deserve to know why. Another is accountability, ensuring that when harm occurs, humans can trace the cause and correct it. As AI continues to shape our homes, schools, and workplaces, ethical awareness becomes a shared global responsibility. Every user, Student, teacher, and developer has a role to play in ensuring technology aligns with human values. The goal is not to stop progress but to guide it wisely. In daily life, ethical AI means thinking before we trust a machine's judgment. When we use a smart assistant, post on social media, or rely on translation tools, we should understand that AI systems learn from data, and that data comes from us. If we feed them biased or harmful content, they can reproduce it. Therefore, being responsible users is just as important as being skilled developers. Education is one of the best places to teach this mindset. English classrooms can use ethical AI as a bridge between language and global citizenship. Students can research real examples, like how AI detects fake news or helps farmers improve crops, and discuss the pros and cons in English. This combination of knowledge and communication empowers them to become informed voices in the future digital world. The next generation of learners will grow up surrounded by AI assistants, learning platforms, and decision-making systems. Understanding how to use these tools ethically will define what kind of society they build. English, as the global language of science and technology, plays a vital role in this process. It connects students from different countries to share ideas and collaborate on global challenges.